Welcome to Learn with Sam and Ash. I'm Sam and today we're gonna see line graph or just graph. This is a sample graph report where you can get 9 bands. Why am I so sure about that? Because it is provided by Cambridge itself. Hence, we can be rest assured. Now, you can also send your recordings and your written answers on this number. Don't forget to mention this is for IELTS recording and feedback. I'll reply or I'll suggest you for changes in your writings and your recordings within a single day. Now, before we proceed, structure and tips are already being provided and explained in different video. This video is not for any of them. Remember that. This is not for tips and tricks. That is provided in a playlist, and also I'll provide you the link of the playlist in the description. Now, let's get back to the question, which is for the line graph. Alright, so we are in the presentation mode, and here I'm going to provide you a sample answer. Remember, this sample answer is provided by Cambridge. I'm just going to read it. This can get you 9 bands because it follows all the criteria, which are coherence and cohesion, grammar, lexical resource, and one more, that is task achievement, which are being described in another video. If you want, you can get the link in the description where you can read about the 4 criteria. All right, so better you start. Let's start with the audio. All right, here on the left we kept the graph so that you can relate with the answer. So let's begin. This graph illustrates how crime rates altered in Newport inner city during the period 2003-2012. We can see immediately that the greatest change occurred in the number of burglaries, while incidents of theft remained low but steady. I think that is correct according to the graph, and the first paragraph is always about introduction. In 2003, we can see that burglary was the most common with approximately 3,400 reported cases. The figure rose to around 3,700 in 2004, but then there was a downward trend until 2008. At this point, the figure stood at just over 1,000 incidents. This rose slightly in 2009, then continued to fluctuate for the remaining period. In 2003, the number of cars being stolen stood at around 2,800 and followed a similar trend to burglary until 2006. At this point, the number rose, standing at around 2,200 in 2007. There was a marginal decrease in the following year, but from then on, the trend was generally upwards. In the final paragraph, finally, robbery has always been a fairly minor problem for Newport. The number of offenses committed changed little over 9 years. It is interesting to note that the figure of approximately 700 in 2003 is the same figure for 2012. Now, if you notice, all the important facts and figures or the numbers are being explained according to the graph, that is burglary, car theft, and robbery. I think that is a good, or let's say well-written report, and you can also follow the same trend, that the first paragraph should be the introduction and the remaining are kind of giving information about it. Before we end this, please don't forget to write a mail or message to this number where you can send your recordings as well as written essays and reports or letters. Okay, I hope to hear from you soon from this, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Learn with Sam and Ash. Goodbye.